Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of SVG programming with my computer science teacher. So for time purposes, what I've done is I've already pre-made a little cake here. And as you can see, I've got the little plate at the bottom, I've got the little cake, the base cake, and I've got 3 candles. And what I want to do is I want to put some fire on top of those candles. And to do that, I want to use something called an ellipse, because obviously, fire isn't a circle, is it? So there's a code that you can create an oval shape, which is called an ellipse. So I'm going to show you how to make one of those now. And I'm going to use it as my final layer. So I'm going to open those crocodile clips. I must be hungry. So I'm going to write the word ellipse. So I want to create an oval shape. I want to give it a color. Fill equals, I'm going to say orange. For now, you can change that to something else if you want, whatever color you want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these coordinates called CX, just like the circle. CX is equal to and CY is equal to, and I can use those to plot where my my ellipse is going to be on the actual screen. But first I need to create it, and you can use something called RX, which is equal to let's say it's equal to 20. And then we're going to have an RY, which is going to be equal to 30. Okay, and then we can see we've started to create a shape at the top left corner. So I need to move that now into the right place. So that's what my X and my Y is for. So I'm going to say 200, move it across to the middle, and I'm going to move it down by about 100 and see where it is. Okay, and we'll work with it there. It's not too far off actually. That's not bad. So obviously I need to move it to the left a little bit, and obviously the size is a bit mad as well, so I need to change the size. So I'm going to change that to let's say 95. 95. No, the CY was actually fine. Actually at 100, it was the X, isn't it? So I'm going to change that to 190. 190. This is just obviously a guessing game, really. So too far over. I'm going to say 195. Perfect. Now that's obviously a bit big, it's a bit wide, so I'm going to change the RX to 10, and my candle's probably a bit too tall, so I'm going to maybe change that to 25, my flame. It's floating in the air a little bit, fine. You could probably put a little rectangle in there to kind of be the string that's on fire. And then what I want to do, make sure you close it and use the crocodile clip, because that is very important. If you don't do that, the next shape won't appear. I'm going to take that code, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it underneath here. Okay, and then what I want to do is I'm going to move it to the left, and I want to make another one and move it to the right. So let's just move CX, let's change that to 150. Close again, 155, and there it is. Okay, and I need to take the same one, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it, Control C and Control V, copies and paste, by the way, just in case you don't know. And I'm going to change that to like 255, see where that takes me. Too far, to 25, to 35. I was going to say 35 as well, man, but anyway, but there is my 3 candles that are on fire now. They're lit up. It's for your 3-year-old daughter to blow her candles out on her birthday and make a merry wish for probably a doll or some sweeties or something, right? So the next thing I want to show you is I want to make a little flower, because I want to make my cake a little bit nicer. So I can make a little flower just by copying that code, pasting it, and then I want to move it down. So I'm going to change that CY to something like 150. No, not enough. So 200, 230, 250, right in the middle. Nope, 240. So there it is. I'm going to move it to the left or to the right, left, right, left, right. Let's say this is going to be on the left. So 135. Perfect. Now, I want this to be purple. Just because, I don't know, pink and purple kind of go. Yeah, that kind of goes. It kind of works, right? And what I want to do now is I want to take that, copy it, paste it underneath, and then I want to swap my RX and my RY around. So put that at 25, which is going to give me a circle, but then put this one back to 10. Okay, so now I've got this little flower thing going on. And then I can use my circle code. I can go and create a circle and put a little circle in the middle. So circle, in fact, you know what, for time purposes, I don't need a circle. I can make a circle with my ellipse, can't I? So I'm going to paste that code. I'm going to change that to 10 and 10, or maybe 5 and 5. And we can't see it at the moment because it's still purple. So I'm going to change that to orange to go with the, oh yeah, look at that lovely little flower that I've got on my cake now. Yeah, and that's a cute little cake. It's cool, isn't it? You know this RX and RY, you can actually use that to kind of make your rectangle a little bit more rounded as well. So I'm going to show you, find the rectangle. Where's the pink rectangle? Here it is. Here's the pink rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my pink rectangle. I'm going to say Rx is equal to, and I'm going to say 10. And now you can see that I have now got rounded edges on my rectangle, which is quite cool. I've got a nice rounded little cake now. So yeah, and that's how you can add some extra quality to your rectangles. So guys, give that a try. Make yourself a birthday cake, put some candles on there, make some fire, make a little flower if you want. You know, and what else, just see what else you can do with it. You guys are like the imaginative, creative ones. I'm here just doing my best, you know, but you guys, I'm sure you got plenty of ideas. So give this a try. I look forward to seeing what codes you've been making. Feel free to copy and paste your code into the comment section below. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your mates and get them involved as well. But thanks for watching, and look out for the next episode where we're going to be creating more really cool SVG vector graphics.